This is?
Dudes and dudettes, here we are again, and thank you for watching our show. Today we're going to continue the Buell XB12S. S. Last time what we did was we put on the cylinders, and we put on the heads, and we put on the valve covers. So that was our last episode, as you saw. Today we are going to put on the front subframe. We're going to put on the rectifier. We're going to try and connect the oil lines, and we're going to put on the secondary belt, which includes the pulley. Anything else? I say crack a beer. Just me today. He says he's had enough. He's what kind of tea you drinking? It's some kind of thistle, burning thistle tea.
I got my
Really?
I got my diet beer here.
Oh, and he's got his lemonade?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. So let's get started.
It actually fits. Yeah, it actually fits.
Okay, so you have to make sure it fits when you put in your subframe. Make sure it's the right subframe.
Yeah.
B, you had a pretty busy day today.
Yeah.
Working for his own company.
Just a long day.
Long day.
Yeah.
Not really difficult.
In and out, in and out.
Alright.
I don't need you to give me CPR on my ass.
Alright, the subframe consists of one piece. On the subframe, I think, is the oil cooler and the rectifier.
This is called the sitting squat.
What was that motion you just did? No, almost. Mr. B,
Yeah.
what did we do now? What did we do already?
Connect the oil lines.
We connected the oil lines. We put in the subframe and we connected the oil lines. The oil lines are pretty standard. It says exactly in the book how you're supposed to connect them. So anybody that's wanting to do this themselves, just follow the instructions in the book. They're pretty accurate.
It's pretty self-explanatory because they are pre-bent. So they only fit in one position.
There you go. Folks, you hear that? Really? Dude, why?
Demonetized.
Okay, Mr. B, now that you got the wiring down in that little groove and making sure that we can cover it with the plastic cover, figured that out.
Yeah.
That's a little bit of a challenge, but hey, if you look really carefully, then you can see how it's done, right?
Right.
So now, what's the next move?
Replace this sealant, the seal, sorry.
The seal.
The seal and the special ring that's in here. First, there's a special ring. It's not an O-ring, it's like an X. X ring. Not even really an X. This one fits in here.
Okay, so we can't.
This seals. This is the like a chef extender, so to say. This one seals off the inside, because when you torque it, it will fit more in and tighten the inside of this axle. This one tightens the outside, and we're gonna change them both since we're here. Yeah, we have this.
And we have the seal, brand new.
Yes, we do.
Comment.
So the seal's good, but we're gonna. When you're here, anyways, and you have it, just replace it for this
Peace of mind.
peace of mind. That way, you know for 100% sure that's sealed. If you.
There's oil.
Piece.
On the metal piece.
Yeah, on the.
Okay,
Like
because of the angle of the.
You can just bend this one and damage it.
All right,
If
so
you
we
use
don't
it
want
flat,
to-
you can damage it. So if you use it like this, you
Oh,
only hammer on the
inside
outer
goes in.
ring.
Right. Good tip, folks. It's angled, so try and tap it on the outside. That's the magic this guy has in his hands, that he knows the little tiny details. Good thing we got him.
So, after deliberation,
So now that we found out that our other torque wrench is shot, we're going to try and tighten it now to the proper specs.
The back tire is gonna move.
Oh, there.
yeah, what are you? Because we changed it.
67.
67 now. Alrighty, now we go for the 30 degrees additional turn.
30 degrees.
No, just a second.
67 and then initial torque.
360 divided by 6. That's 30.
Huh?
360 divided by 6.
Don't ask me about making. That's
So
our-
every tooth end is 30 degrees.
So now you need to do a 90 degree,
That's
and then you do 45
45.
degree, and then you go back.
Yeah, that's 40. This is 6 sides. This has 6
Yeah,
sides.
yeah,
So
yeah.
it's,
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I see what you're talking
so
about.
this 60 degrees. So
Oh, this, yeah.
this angle
I
is 60
get it.
degrees.
Oh, me and math are just not good.
So this is 30.
What we did is we bought a new torque wrench. The torque wrench was a little more expensive than the ones I had, other than my Snap-on. Not making commercials for Snap-on. We don't get paid for this stuff, so don't get us on that. Obviously, the one we bought malfunctioned seriously, so we're going to bring that one back and see if we can either get our money back or get another one. Probably worth buying a better one.
Or Snap-on could just send us some good shit.
Or Snap-on can send us a smaller one.
That's shit.
And oh wow, well, because one screwdriver breaks and it's shit.
Yeah.
Well,
No, this is the first one I broke from Fedora.
yeah. Well, then you're not using it right. That's not what it's meant for.
I always misabuse my.
Yeah. Well,
always
then it's
abuse
not.
my
It's
tool.
not Fedora. It's. Okay, so we torqued the. So what was the torque of the main?
Now you can put in the new car.
Hey, I'm
Ah,
talking.
well.
What was the torque of the big nut?
66.
66, 67. Okay,
And
we
then
torqued it
additional
60.
30 degrees.
An additional 30 degrees.
Maximum
Then you put the plate on, and the
Yeah.
screws on the plate,
10.
the bolts, yeah, are
10,
10
Newton
Newton
meters.
with Loctite. Don't
Yeah.
forget the Loctite. And we have a brand new cap that we melted off last time.
Can we do this one now?
Pulley tensioner.
Yeah, we can.
The belt tensioner.
And we could then that whole part's
Maybe
finished.
the
Belt
bracket
tension.
for the
For the belt.
exhaust and then oil cooler. No, this one goes here. It seems it's logical.
We got a little further with the Buell. So what we did, what we said at the beginning of the video is what we did today. We got the rectifier on, we got the subframe on, we got the electrical done, we got the oil lines done. And what else did we do? Oh, we put on the belt pulley. A good tools is
Last.
half the work.
And they last.
And they last. That's right. This starting to come together really nice. So stay with us for a while and watch us finish it. Maybe one more episode
One or
after
two.
this. 1 or 2 episodes max. Our followers in Kentucky, USA. His name is blogger Valera. He got in touch with us asking if we could fix his bike, and I was thinking, yeah, that's going to be a pretty expensive fix, about 15,000 euros, because we'd have to take all our tools and the 3 of us and hotels and everything to go to the United States, which is impossible at the moment with the whole issues in the germ section. If you're watching this, make sure you check out the video before this and see how we put the top end on there, because I think you can do it too. We had a little conversation on our YouTube channel about that, so I think you got it all. You're pretty good. You're good to go. So stick around. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.
Wait,
And,
wait. I'm gonna
oh.
find it. I'm gonna send him the user manual, owner's manual.
Oh yeah, we're
the
gonna send them the
technical
user
manual.
manual. Okay, that's a
Have
good
fun.
idea.
No.
Again, thank you very much for all your dedication to watching our channel. We're slowly crawling up. We got 85 subscribers now. We need just a few more, and so we can help people out. The whole idea of the whole videos is just to show you that you can do a lot yourself. We're not mechanics. We all have our other jobs. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the flip side.